Imagine looking out of your window and seeing the curve of the Earth, the endless black of space above you, and millions of stars twinkling in the distance. That's not just science fiction anymore. Space tourism is actually closer than you might think. For decades, only astronauts with years of training could make it to space. But now, private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are racing to make space travel something regular people can experience. In fact, some folks have already taken the trip. Let's break it down. What exactly is space tourism? Basically, it means paying for a ticket to visit space as a tourist, not a scientist or astronaut. This could mean a quick trip up to the edge of space, floating in zero gravity for a few minutes, or even spending days on a space station. You might be thinking, okay, but how close are we really? Well, in 2021, we saw the first fully civilian crew orbit the Earth with SpaceX's Inspiration 4 mission. Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic have both launched paying customers on suborbital flights, taking them high enough to experience weightlessness and see the Earth from above. The technology's getting better, and the prices, while still sky-high, are starting to drop. When Virgin Galactic first opened reservations, tickets were around $250,000. Expensive, sure, but way less than the tens of millions early space tourists paid for a seat with the Russian space agency. And here's the wild part. Experts predict that in the next decade, prices could drop even more as competition grows and flights become more routine. So, while it's not affordable for everyone yet, the dream of heading to space isn't just for billionaires anymore. But what's the experience like? Passengers train for a few days before launch, learning how to handle zero gravity and the G-forces of liftoff. Once you're strapped in and the rocket blasts off, you'll reach the edge of the atmosphere in just a few minutes. Suddenly, you're floating, with the most incredible view you'll ever see: Earth from space. Honestly, space tourism isn't just about the thrill. It's about inspiring a whole new generation to dream bigger, push boundaries, and maybe solve some of our biggest challenges by seeing our planet from a new perspective. So if you've ever gazed up at the stars and wondered what's out there, know this: the chance to find out for yourself is getting closer every single day. Keep dreaming. It might just come true sooner than you think.